we doing, man?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Okay, so I take care of the BTS. So we have film and we have digital. And my job basically is to take the picture of everyone behind the camera.
I would say this is probably one of my favorite pieces. I just love the contrast between navy and olive. I just think that's super dope, super fly. Probably some of my favorite colors, so. Get a little bit of the Dean, you know? Oh, yo, come here. Yo, this is one of my favorite things from this collection is the labels. If you have a brand, step up your label game, bro. So we got a product of no diploma, knowledge itself, and then look. Skirt!
Okay.
Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. Damn. Shit. Little Easter eggs for every piece, you know?
Going crazy with these, bro.
Yo, JMSV sponsor me, please. Please make me study for free. I don't want to pay that tuition fee. Alright.
Oh yeah, just my camera. Great incense made in Montreal. Apprenti organic. Really dope. My mom got me this for Christmas. Yeah.